How to fix the NextDoor app not working. So the first thing that you need to do is, if you're using your Wi-Fi connection, make sure you turn it off and then use cellular data. If you're using cellular data, make sure you turn it off and use Wi-Fi. After you've done that, make sure that you force close the app. That means you open up the app, you go to the history of all the apps, and you just swipe it away. The third thing that you can do is restart your phone. Now on Android, you're gonna hold your power button and then turn off the phone and turn it back on. On iPhone, you're gonna hold your power button and up volume at the same time. The fourth thing is to update the NextDoor app. Simply go to the App Store like this, then type in NextDoor. Here you go. And if there's an update that's ready for your phone, you're gonna see it instead of open here. I've installed a lot of the updates, so it doesn't say update. But if it does for you, make sure you update the app. Now on Android, you can clear the app cache by going into settings, going to storage, and then clicking clear cache. On iPhone, you're gonna have to deinstall the app and then reinstall it again. So simply just hold it, delete app, go to the App Store, NextDoor app, and now reinstall the app. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.